Alka-Seltzer Lava Lamp Lab. First you drink the water so there's half of the way left. Then you add the oil. Once the oil and water are both in the water bottle or lava lamp, you can see how the oil is floating above the water. This is an example of suspension. The oil isn't mixing with the water because it is less dense than the water. Because they can easily be separated, it is a heterogeneous mixture. The physical properties of the water is that it is clear, a liquid, transparent, malleable, and non-conductive. The physical properties of the oil is that it is yellow and it is a liquid. After we added the water and oil, we added 4 drops of food coloring. The food coloring then mixed with the water. When the food coloring got down to the water, it started to spread out. But when it was in the oil, it didn't. After the water and food coloring mixed together, it became a homogeneous mixture. The experiment as a whole is a heterogeneous mixture, and inside of that mixture, there's a homogeneous mixture. A heterogeneous mixture is when it is easily separated, and a homogeneous mixture is when it cannot be easily separated, because the water and the food coloring mixes together, and you can't separate them. However, the oil and the water can be easily separated from the suspension. Then we added an Alka-Seltzer tablet to the water bottle. When adding it, it sinks down to the bottom of the water bottle, and bubbles start to form. The bubbles rise up to the top of the oil and heterogeneous mixture. And then when they're there, they start to float. The bubbles are gas, and the water and oil are both liquids. The Alka-Seltzer tablet throughout this experiment starts as a solid and changes into a gas. This is called a chemical change because the Alka-Seltzer tablet changes its identity. The solvent in this experiment is the water. The solute is the food coloring, which then makes the solution, which is the food coloring mixed with water. Overall, this experiment of making a lava lamp creates a heterogeneous mixture because of the suspension between the oil and the water, with a chemical change of the Alka-Seltzer tablet changing from a solid to a gas, which forms the bubbles in the lava lamp. This is a great and cool experiment that I highly recommend you should try at home. I hope you learned about the science behind lava lamps.